Booking.com is packed with useful hotel data for lead generation, competitor research, and market analysis. But collecting all that information by hand can take forever. So in this video, I'll show you how to scrape Booking.com listings in one click and turn them into a clean spreadsheet without any manual copying and pasting. The tool I'm using is Thunderbit. You can install its Chrome extension and open it anytime you need it. Open Booking.com in Chrome, search for hotels in your target location, then open Thunderbit and click One-Click Extract. Thunderbit's AI agent will analyze the page, detect the hotel listing layout, and prepare the extraction fields for you. You can quickly review the suggested fields like hotel name, location, rating, price, URL, and more. When it comes to pagination, the default is 5 pages, but you can choose until end or set a custom number, up to 200 pages. If everything looks good, click Run Now. Thunderbit will collect listings in the background and organize everything into a structured table. Once it's done, you'll get a clean table with the Booking.com hotel listings neatly organized. You can export the data in the format you need, like Excel, CSV, or JSON. Use it for lead generation, competitor research, market analysis, and more. Try Thunderbit free at thunderbit.com. Booking.com is packed with useful hotel data for lead generation, competitor research, and market analysis.